Hi, my name is Olie from Olie's Woodshop, and I've partnered with ToolsToday to bring you this video, a modern desktop lamp. I'm going to be using the Amana Tool Spektra compression bit for all of my cuts because I'm confident it can get the job done. I'm starting off with the head of the lamp. I've created a pocket tool path where the battery-operated light will fit seamlessly. I'm also cutting a small elbow that will be the pivot point for my lamp, making it height adjustable. The Spektra bits have a nano composite coating that helps keep this bit sharp and long-lasting, giving me consistently clean cuts. Because the edges are so sharp, I'm going to be using the Amana 1/8 roundover bit to smooth out those edges. Now it's time to use the Amana Countersink with a 9/32 drill bit for the screw inserts that I'll use to screw everything together. To finish off my plywood parts, I'm sanding them down before I apply some Olie's oil to bring the wood to life. Now I'm going to be using the newest addition to the shop, a ShopSabre CNC plasma that will cut all of my steel components. For this modern lamp, I'm using a glossy orange powder coat finish because I think orange looks really nice on plywood. Now I have all my parts cut and powder coated, so it's time for the moment of truth. Thank you all for watching our modern table lamp build and the video. Thank you ToolsToday for sponsoring this video. I think it came out super cute. I can't wait to put it in the office and put it to use. So you guys stay tuned for more videos.